In this video, we'll be solving a question on probability. And we're given the question here. Consider the table, the whole of this table. We have to calculate that calculate the probability that one tree selected at random is small, one tree selected at random is disease-free, one tree selected at random is both large and disease-free. Also, one tree selected at random from the population of small trees is doubtful of disease, and one tree selected at random is either medium or disease-free. And these are the table. This is the table given: disease-free, doubtful, and diseased. The total are this. So, solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first question here is that we should calculate the probability that one tree selected at random is small. One tree selected at random is small. So the probability of selecting a small tree, we have it as 40. The probability of selecting a small tree is 40. While the grand total is 200, like we can see from here. It then means that our probability will be equal to 40 all over 200. Of course, this will cancel this. We will have 4 all over 20, which is equal to 4 here 1, 4 here 5. So we have 1 all over 5. Question 2. We have one tree selected at random is disease-free. One tree selected at random is disease-free. Disease-free tree will have this. So the probability of selecting a disease-free is 105. 105. The grand total is equal to 200. It then means that our probability will be equal to 105 all over 200. This is how we can simply compute this probability. Now, for accuracy, we can employ our calculator. 105 divided by 200. We have it as 21 all over 40, which is the same thing as this 21 all over 40. So our third question, one tree selected at random is both large and disease-free. Is both large and disease-free. We have to clean this part of the board. Is both large and disease-free. So this is question for number 1, and this question for number 2. So we have to take one tree selected at random is both large and disease-free. Because of space, we are still using this part of the board. So we have to clean this. You need to subscribe to this channel. So, the probability that one tree selected at random is both large and disease-free. both large and disease free is 35. Both large and disease free is equal to 35. And the grand total is equal to 200. So our probability will be equal to 35 all over 200. So we have it as 35 all over 200. Of course, 35 all over 200 will give us 7 all over 40. It will give us 7 all over 40. We also have calculate the probability that one tree selected at random from the population of small trees is doubtful of disease. Is doubtful of disease. We will still use that part of the board. We still use that part of the board. Okay. Doubtful trees is 8. Small trees is doubtful of disease. So the small tree is doubtful of disease is 8. It's 8. We have 8 here. It's a conditional probability. So this is number 3. Number 4. The probability that one tree, that small tree, is doubtful of disease is equal to 8. And the total in this case, the grand total in this case is equal to, the grand total is 40. The grand total is 40. Then our probability will be equal to 8 divided by 40. 8 divided by 40. Of course, 8 divided by 40 is 1 over 5. Is equal to 1 all over 5. So this will now move us to the last question, which is calculate the probability that one tree selected at random is either medium or disease free. Is either what? Medium or disease free. So we have to delete or clean this part of the board so that we can now do that the number 5. So the probability that one tree is selected at random is either medium or disease free. The probability that one tree selected at random is either medium or disease free is equal to the probability of medium plus the probability of disease-free minus the probability of medium and disease-free. Now, the probability of medium is 92. The probability of medium is 92. We'll be writing it with the total at once. So our probability of medium or disease-free is equal to, the probability of medium is 92. 92 all over 200 plus the probability of disease-free. The probability of disease-free is 105. Disease-free is 105. 105 all over 200. Also, the probability of medium and disease-free. Medium and disease-free. Medium and disease-free. Medium and disease-free is 46. It's 46. 46 all over 200. Of course, this can give us 92 plus 105 minus 46 all over 200. Therefore, this is our number 5. Therefore, the probability of medium and disease-free is equal to 92 plus 105 minus 46 is equal to 151 all over 200. 151 all over 200. So this is how we can compute the probability given this table. This is how we can compute the probabilities given this table. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.